Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. May update tayo sa Dahon solo album ni Justin. At heto nga, ang thoughts at reaction ng isang 18. Sabi sa pag-iisip ni Amelia, isang 18, thinking about Dahon and Justin's previous solos. Hi guys! Just wanted to share my thoughts about sa upcoming solo ni Justin. I don't know if may nag-point out nito, pero has anyone else noticed that the aesthetic of each of Justin's solo have highlighted a different season? Personally, I think it's really cool and really helps emphasize the overarching storyline that he's created. I haven't fully analyzed everyone, so there might be some details I missed. Pero I just think it's interesting, so I wanted to share my thoughts. Here's what I've noticed. Surreal, spring, green cover art and emphasis in greenery both in the music video and promotional content and outfits. Outfits are cozy and follow a very spring lover type of aesthetic. Very spring vibes yung kanta itself with its soft, light-hearted tune in the steady, almost springy rise and fall as notes both as vocals and sa instrument, typically starting lower and then ending higher, literally rising up like plants in spring, released on the cusp of spring in many countries. Kaibigan, summer. The setting is MV. The setting sa MV plus the emphasis in the ocean/beach in both the cover art and promotional content. It takes advantage of our existing association of the beach, summer. Very summer outfits sa MV or music video. I don't know if it's just me, pero the first time I heard the song, parang very summer heartbreak and vibes, weak argument, released during summer if I recall correctly. Dahon, autumn. Cover art is literally autumn leaves. Overall, aesthetic and color palette as also very autumnal. Uses more fading/withering flowers unlike surreal which use noticeably fresh and bright ones. Ang notes sa vocal based on the snippet that's been released na. Unlike sa surreal, noticeably fall, the lines end on a lower note, dropping in a way that gives the impression of falling. That's all so far. Let me know y'all's thoughts and if mayroon kayong na-notice that I overlooked or I failed to notice entirely. Andyan po ang mga photo update ni Justin sa kanyang upcoming solo album na Dahon. At sorry po sa aking pagbabasa at minsan po hindi perfect o halos lahat hindi perfect, pero I'm trying to read in English fluently. Matalino si ate. Ang kanyang pag-iisip ay informative at madetalye tungkol sa solo project or solo album ni Bunso or Justin.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she put